Good morning, fourth graders. Today we are going to talk about finding the main idea. Go ahead and fill in your reading, learning intention sheet. Fourth graders, remember that when you're finding the main idea, it's just like a box and bullets. So you should have details that support that main idea. If you cannot find details in the paragraph that support the main idea, then you haven't found the main idea. So the main idea would be your box, and the details would be your bullets. Let's do some practice with this. Fourth graders, I'm going to read this second paragraph. As I read, listen along and see if you can pick out the main idea. German immigrants have been coming to America for more than 300 years. German-speaking immigrants settled the first non-English town in America. In 1683, they settled in an area that is now part of the city of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The Germans built a town and named it Germantown. The layout of the town and the style of the houses looked just like those in Germany. Think for a moment, and if you need to, you can reread the paragraph. Think about what the main idea of this paragraph is. I'm going to give you a hint. The main idea is not the first sentence. Give your teacher a thumb up when you have an idea about what the main idea is. Readers, I'm hoping that you thought that the main idea was that German immigrants settled the first non-English speaking town in America. And we know that that's the main idea because we have several details that support that main idea. The first is that they settled in an area of town that is now part of Philadelphia. The town's name was Germantown, and the town was built like towns in Germany. Readers, now you are going to come up with the main idea and the details for this last paragraph. Listen carefully. At that time in Europe, many wars were being fought. The fighting was among several religious groups. The leading church would not allow people to follow other religions. The settlers who built Germantown came to America to escape the fighting. Also, in America, they were able to choose the religion they wished to follow. Readers, right now, you are going to think of the main idea and write it down on a scrap sheet of paper, on a sticky note, or in your binder. Remember that the main idea could be more than one sentence. Once you've come up with the main idea, find 3 details that support that main idea. Make sure that your details actually prove your main idea or have to do with your main idea. Readers, remember that the main idea is not always the first sentence. It's often another sentence within the paragraph. Readers, I'm hoping that you were able to come up with the main idea that people came to America to escape fighting among religious groups. That would be our main idea, and then the details that support that in the paragraph are: the leading church did not allow people to follow other religions, people were able to choose the religion they wished to follow in America, and there was fighting in Europe among several religious groups. Give me a thumb up if that's what you and your partner came up with. Readers, today as you read, you are going to think about what the text is really telling you. Make sure that you are coming up with the main idea and that you're using that main idea when you write your notes. Let's make it a great reading day.